So today I'm going to be reviewing the JBL Clip 5 Ultra Portable Bluetooth speaker with integrated carabiner, big JBL Pro Sound Playtime Boost. It's a waterproof design and it has a 12-hour playtime and it's black in color. I purchased this a while ago. I actually got it for my husband for our wedding anniversary. A little bit of a specification why he absolutely loves this, and he takes it everywhere when we go down to the beach. It's so easy, seriously. You see, it fits in the palm of my hand. It has a really powerful sound, as you would expect it from JBL. And to be honest, you don't really have to worry about the battery running out, because this speaker has up to 12 hours of playtime on one single charge. And if you tap on the playtime boost, it gets you an additional 3 hours. So when we go down to the beach, he puts it on and he really doesn't have to worry about ever running out or getting frustrated that he can't actually use it. So it's very portable. You can take it anywhere. You can clip it anywhere, really. You can clip it on your backpack, rucksack. You can just hook it onto things. You can put it on the floor, on the side. You can see, obviously, be careful. Don't put it on the top of, in the sand. But it gives protection because it has the lines on the back. So weight-wise, this is 0.285 kilograms, which means about it is less than half a kilo. So it's still, you can feel the quality, but it's not heavy. What makes it incredible, this is waterproof and you can pair multi-speakers as well. And what is the bonus is that it's actually made out of recycled materials. So it's absolutely brilliant, as I said, as a present, or you can just gift it to yourself. Well, I'm thinking about getting one for myself as well. So from my husband, it's definitely a thumbs up. And from me as well, because it makes him happy.